Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming identity and account details. This prevents delays. Once done, check your balance and any early termination fees so you know what to expect. Next, disable autopay and remove linked cards to avoid surprise charges. Now choose how you'll proceed. The Etisalat app is fastest, or phone works if you prefer voice, and a customer center handles complex cases. Begin immediately with the chosen method, so the next steps execute smoothly. You now perform the core actions. In the app, navigate to Services, select the line or package, choose Cancel, and confirm with the OTP. This records your request instantly. If calling or using clearly state you want to stop services, verify identity, and insist on a reference number. When visiting a store, sign the termination form and get a printed receipt. Make sure you ask for the expected final amount, and the date service will end before you leave. You finish by settling the final bill and confirming the exact service end date so billing stops on time. Return any leased equipment and insist on a receipt for each item. Unreturned hardware can incur charges. Save the cancellation reference and watch your account or SMS for confirmation over the next 7 to 14 days. If the service still appears active or billing continues, contact support with the reference immediately. This single step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.